The Richmond County Health Department on Friday announced the 9th COVID-related death this month, bringing the total to 28. Health and Human Services Director Dr. Tommy Gerald said in a press release that the department was notified that the patient who had tested positive for the coronavirus died outside of a healthcare facility earlier in the week. This is the second resident to die outside of a hospital or other healthcare facility, according to the health department. 22 have died in a hospital, mostly outside of Richmond County, and 4 have died in another type of healthcare facility, such as a nursing home. All those who have died were between the ages of 31 and 95. According to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, there have been over 4,000 COVID-related deaths across the state as of October 22nd. Johns Hopkins University reports there have been 223,000 deaths related to COVID in the U.S. and over 1.1 million globally. Richmond County has now had a total of 1,300 positive cases of COVID-19, with 1,100 having recovered. The health department reports that 12,000 tests have returned negative. A man is facing charges after allegedly assaulting a woman and a child. According to arrest warrants, 29-year-old Charles Derek Malley of Driggers Drive in Hamlet choke-slammed a woman on a porch and slammed her to the floor a second time, grabbing her by the throat and pushing her down, as well as throwing 2 butcher knives at her. He reportedly told the female victim that he would kill her and damage a wall of her home. Malley is also accused of pushing down an 11-year-old child. He was charged by the Richmond County Sheriff's Office with 1 misdemeanor count each of assault on a female, assault with a deadly weapon, assault on a child under 12, communicating threats, and injury to real property. Malloy is booked into Richmond County Jail without bond. He was given a $25,000 secure bond the following day, according to court documents, and is scheduled to appear in court on November 2nd. A trio of Richmond Senior High School basketball players reached double digits in Thursday's playoff win. The number 1 seeded Raiders began the opening round of the 9-dime Fall League playoffs with a convincing 64-51 win over number 8 Robeson County. The team's 6th win in 7 tries this season was led by 2 seniors and a freshman. Seniors Patrick McLaughlin and Nige Stroman, along with freshman Paul McNeil, accounted for 44 of the team's points. McLaughlin, the Raiders' floor general, netted a game-high 18 points and added 4 assists. Stroman collected his second double-double in as many games, scoring 12 points and grabbing 10 rebounds. McNeil continued to show his versatility on the court, stuffing the stat sheet with 14 points of his own. Richmond will get a week off before returning to the semifinal round of the playoffs next Thursday. The Raiders will play the winner of the number 4 Berrien Baptist Academy and number 5 New Life Christian Academy contest, which is scheduled for Saturday. When we return, we've got your Live at 5 weather report is coming up after the break, so stay tuned.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
Are you spending your money paying tuition and fees to a large university just to have your college student take the general education courses online? Come to Richmond Community College, where your student will have local instructors, free tutoring, and access to services. Our transfer classes are acceptable at every university in North Carolina. We offer a clean, safe atmosphere specializing in individual student attention and small classes at a fraction of the cost.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on Hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, Hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice. Peace, comfort, dignity.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by Sunset Slush, classic Italian ice located here in downtown Rockingham. Happy Friday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful end of the work week. So far, once again, another beautiful, warm, sunny day. Cannot complain about it whatsoever. However, it's definitely not the fall weather that we are expecting to be seeing at this moment. We're still seeing 70s and 60s. Really very little do we actually see 50s pop up, usually in the evening time or early morning. But with that sun still coming down, making it feel like it's been a blistering day today, once again, we're still seeing temperatures being in the 70s by 7 o'clock, as well as high 60s by 9. Nothing's really changing from the past couple of nights. Sunset, though, will be at 6:33 p.m., and there will be a waxing crescent moon phase out tonight. Looking at tomorrow, pretty much the same stories we've seen today and pretty much for the last several days. Temperature's going to be up in the 80s as well as the mid 60s for the low. Starting in Fayetteville, a high of 83, low of 65, with Rayford, high of 82, low of 65. Down in Robeson County, be a high of 82 and a low of 66, with Warrenburg seeing a high of 83 and a low of 67. Up in Moore County, it'll be a high of 81 and a low of 63, with Richmond County seeing a right around 82, low of 65. Bennettsville, a high of 83, low of 67, with Waitsville seeing a high of 82 and a low of 65. And again, more clouds and sunshine set for tomorrow. Remember that ghost weather we've been talking about the past couple of days with the rain? That's kind of come back into play now again for Sunday. It is back with a 50% chance of showers. So right now we're looking at a coin toss on whether or not this rain is going to come in and try to spook us a little bit. But Saturday, high of 82, low of 65. Sunday, 50% chance in the afternoon. No chance at all in the evening. High of 72, low of 60. Then on Monday, we have partly cloudy skies returning with a high of 74 and a low of 58. And pretty much as you can see, we're not getting anywhere away from this warm weather whatsoever anytime soon. Although we are starting to see a little bit of the 40s come into play later on next week. But Wednesday, high of 81, low of 60. Thursday, high of 77, low of 63. Then on Friday, we have a 70% chance of showers with a high of 71 and a low of 49. That's really kind of the coolest day out of this forecast. Really nothing else out there is getting into the 40s, and it's barely into the 40s at that. So we're looking at Friday next week to be our coolest day for the next 7 days. So be on the lookout for that, and then many people are probably looking forward to some sort of a cool down from what we've been having. But that is going to do it for your Live at 5 weather report and for tonight's edition of Live at 5. Of course, for the latest news, sports, and events happening in Richmond County, you can always visit richmondobserver.com, or you can download the free R app for your mobile devices. For the Live at 5 crew, I'm Russell Parker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on Monday. Good night, Richmond County.